We the Oroville Eagle Mighty Might team, and we the best 6 and 7 year old team ever assembled. Tough week this week. I think we made it tougher on ourselves. You know what I'm saying, coaches? I know me personally, I'm getting a big head. But that's going to be our downfall if we keep letting it go on. So we can't let that go on. Underestimating teams, just thinking we're going to run through them. Well, we back to the basics now. I ain't going to let that happen to my team. You know what I'm saying? That's a bad coaching job. Let's get back to the basics, back to training, back to hitting hard. You know what I'm saying? You're going to see a lot of things out here. You're going to see little kids hitting big kids, slow kids chasing fast kids. Man, we don't play out here. That's just how it goes. You hit or get hit. You tell me what you want to do.
The harder you guys run out here and give us 100%, the better you're going to get. The harder you practice, the better you're going to play.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all got to work hard. Let's work hard. In these drills, let's get in shape. All right, let's work hard. Coach Dole's whistle. Let me see how good we can get it done. Let's go. I need boom. Slow, get there, fast. Slow. That side. Shoot that back. Get him. There you go. Lead through. Let's go. Come on there. Get there. Pick that thing up. Fumble. Find it, Jeremiah. Find it. That's it, Jeremiah. Hold that thing.
Hit it, come on! Come on, run, Ethan, go! Go, Drew, go!
We about to go out there and smash, put the bam on him this week. And T got the new offense going on, so I seen he must have been doing something right. He been doing some type of homework, something changed about here. So evidently we doing something right. So come enjoy the show this weekend. You know what I'm talking about? You did. All right.
We gotta get it in. Shift team.
Enough of this. Let's get to hitting. Y'all ready?
Go!
Get him, Jeremiah, get him! Drag him to the ground, man! Sure, get him, all right? Get up! Get him, Mike, get him! Go, Jaden! Get up, Chase! All right?
Back
You
up.
get up and explode through him. Go, Mike, go! Run through him! Come on, Will.
Ooh.
Take the legs out and they go to the ground. Keep chopping, chop, 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 chop. Good job. Get up, Bud, get up.
Let's go, Dada.
Right here. Come on, hustle up. The hardest hitting Mighty Mites in Oroville right here.
It's Mighty Might squad ever. Let's go, Jeremiah, come on! Killing me. Explode!
Get up! Get up!
Hustle, hustle, hustle!
Cold coaches. Hey, shut up.
Hey, you guys need to get behind him. Because this is actually the line that you guys start.
Chase.
Ready?
Dada. Chase. Dada.
Go.
Dada against Chase.
Good hit. Wrap him up.
Watch the practice. The coldest team I ever seen. Coldest team. They're the best in the land. We out here, just like Mama said. Each one, teach one. Shift one.
And we have a great young squad that hits hard, plays hard, and it shows in their effort.
This weekend we got a tough game coming. You boys better put your A game on and come out with everything you got. No lollygagging, let's come out and explode. Let's show them what Oroville's got. You understand?
It's another day in the office, man. Train hard, work hard, hard work, dedication, unstoppable.
Awesome, undefeated season. That's all I have to say.
Look. How are you able to form the offensive line so well?
Spankings. They get spankings. If they don't make their blocks, they get spankings. Every single one, they sign a waiver.